สุดท้ายสังคมเราเป็นจมูกวิดีโอทำไมมันจะพยมแค่นี้มันจำได้จมูกนักเรียนตรงเตยจมูกหนึ่งโปรมีนได้กว่าจะเรามวยปีฉบับบอสารมิตแต่เลยกับคริปโตเคอเรนซีแต่ทั่วเอาสารมิตกันแต่มีเพียบฉบับลัวกันในครั้งแต่เลยกับคริปโตเคอเรนซีถ้าตากะหน้าได้รอบโจจีคอมมูนิตี้มาให้กะนักล่าได้รอบจีซิคิวริตี้ยืมได้นักเรียนปีคนสมบัติอังกฤษบัตรในการ security แบบหนึ่ง community นั่งตาวิเคราะห์นี้อย่างนะครับในครองนี้เนี่ยอยากได้โจมือบ้านว่า US Security and Exchange Commission ยืมโจมอตัวปนนี้เนี่ยเรียกโจดาวน์โหลดป่ะ Commission Interpretation เนี่ยป่ะเนี่ยเรียกดาวน์โหลดเตอร์ปีนวมเนี่ยเรียกมาดำนอนเนี่ยให้วิบาลแบ่งใจประเภทในการคริปโตเคอเรนซีตามนั้นนะวิจัยเจียมันกัตเกอรี่แห่งกรอมนี้แต่ยืมมาดังนอกนี้แต่how โจคอมมูนิตี้นั้นมีในกี่คลา how สำหรับกะได้ SEC ก็รวมเป็นโจอยู่คอมมูนิตี้นั้นยมมันเชื่อใจมันเลยจะเป็นนักเรียนในของ Facebook Page นักเรียนบ้านส่วนยมติดพองถ้ากะได้เป็น security มีลอยอย่างนักใครยังนะยังไงเจอนักเรียนเยอะเหมือนดังดอกนี้จะวิบังใจจีแคตตาล็อกแบบนี้ป่ะ Digital Community Digital Community นั่นคือจีตรอบสมบัติป่ะเหมือน security เด้เปียท่า security นี่บาเซนจีกะคริปโตเคอเรนซีนามวยตระบาน SEC กดเจ้าทาจิ security โดยจีกะ XRP จะได้ทรอบเมียนประวัติตระบาน SEC นั้นกดเจ้าทากะ XRP คือจี security ได้เป็นนั้นกลุ่มหุ้นริพอนั้นกดบอกลุกะ XRP ดำไปโปรโมทตุนดำไปโปรโมทตุนให้ยตุนเติบปรับปรายมวยให้เป็นนั้นคือกลุ่มหุ้นรีพอร์ตกดอัดบ้านรีจิสเตอร์ตีจิตตุเตอร์ตามฉบับพอวี security คือเตาในกล่องฉบับให้เตามีการสมฉบับเตาดำไปบอกปุ่มสายลวกเจียวเหล็กนะโดยพิหุ่นเสียงจังเจนเป็นนั่นคือตระบันเกี่ยจอดอย่าพี่ตระบันเกี่ยจอดให้ทำไมนี่คือมีการประกาศทา XRP มันเป็นเจีย security ตีได้ทั่วอาการดังประดอขึ้นเลือกมุนทั่วไอรีพอร์ตกดมีนกาในการชนะได้การได้เจริญมาก่อนแต่พิบว่าลอยอย่างนั้นคือยืนในโรงจำมือมันต่อติดจังบาสันจิกะหน้ามวยในขนมประเภท not security มันเป็น security วิคือจีเรื่องมวยละออได้ไปปลัวกะถึงอ๋อนั่งมาสังในจิกะได้มีการบอลลุยรอให้บาสันจีวิจวบจี security ประกอบจีคอฉบับประกอบจี SEC กดเตรียมตีเอกสารบ่ามีปัญหาตามเพลย์กระไรจังบ่าตระบานรวบเป็นโจลมาSEC รวบเป็นโจลถ้าจีคอมมูนิตี้บ่าหรือก็จีวัตถุทิศดำนู่นมันจีปัญหาตีเป็นพวกคอมมูนิตี้คือโดยจีเมียโดยจีประไอ้นี่มาคือเนี่ยคือลุเมียลุประอัดเมียในข้อฉบับตีบ่ายังอัดเมียนตัวสมฉบับสมไอ้มันตีนั่นไงอันนี้คือจีเรื่องได้ยังตระดังบ่าดิจิทัลคอมมูนิตี้ได้ตระบานฮาวทามันเป็นจี security บ่าจีคริปโตเซตได้ International link to and derive their value บ่าคือมีนำไหล from ปี programmatic operation of crypto system นะและนำไหลพอวิคือการเจนปีประปอนหรือก็โซเวียได้พิบาลเหมือนกันนั้นมีการประดอจิมชุบใบเวกะเวโรยนั่นมาคืออันนั้นคือจิมชุบใบพอวิได้ยังตระการกะนั้นดำไปจีกาฟีนะดำไปบองกาฟีได้จิมูลให้ยังตระการกะนังบ่ายังไงเนี่ยคะแนนมันเต็งเมาส์ดำไปวินิยกสำหรับอะไรเปเวอร์ค่ะหมกติป่ะอันนี้คือวินิยัยของในจังป่ะยังไงให้ as supply and demand dynamic ป่ะเติมตัวหนึ่งการกดกงก็โดยเฉพาะดำเนินการนั้นคือมีการแปรปรวนเจียวชี้เชียงป่ะชี้เชียง from expectation of profit นะชี้เชียงกะได้ติงเมาส์ดำใบบานจุ่มหนึ่งป่ะชี้เชียงกะได้บานจุ่มหนึ่งคือมีนาจิกะได้มีการปราบปรามี use case โดยจิกะอีเทเรียมหรือกะบิตคอยน์จะได้คือกะนั้นเหมือนกะเมาส์ดำใบเอาเนี่ยคือติงเต้าสำหรับวินิยกตายมือหมกตีคือวิมีการปราบปราเป็นประกอบแมนโดยจิกะอีเทเรียมเนี่ยคือปราบปราทำไมบองกาฟีให้กะบิตคอยน์เนี่ยคือปราบปราดำใบเวลอยหรือว่าเนี่ยคือปีประเทศมวยตัวประเทศมวยติดบ่มวยติดบ่ digital collectible มันแมนเชียร์ security บ่digital collectible มันเชียร์ security ดิโอเคอดมีปัญหาจังรูปภาพ JPEG ได้เชียร์ NFT ไอ้จะได้มันเชียร์ security ดิบ่อดปัญหา digital tool บ่tool ยังปราบปรามันเชียร์ security ดิบ่ดังไงมีได้มีมุกเงียดโดยเชียร์บ่ membership บ่ support ไอ้มุ support จะได้ credential บ่การ log in ได้ปราบ wallet ไอ้จะได้title instrument บ่ identity badge ไอ้นั่นคือมันเชียร์ security ดิบ่stablecoin คือเนื้อกราวบ่ stablecoin គឺនៅក្រោម Genius X stablecoin ណានៅក្រោមច្បាប់ Genius X ហ្នឹងបាទដែលយើងនឹងទីទៀតយើងអាចមកដឹងបន្តិចទាក់ទង Genius X ហ្នឹងមក update វាពីព្រោះខ្ញុំបាននិយាយកាលពីវីដេអូមុនទាក់ទងនឹង Genius X របស់ stablecoin មានភាពសាំញ៉ាំណាអញ្ចឹង Genius stablecoin មិនមែនជា security ទេបាទ define in the Genius X បាទ payment stablecoin ណាstablecoin ដែលប្រើដើម្បីចាយវាយហ្នឹងគឺបោះពុម្ពដោយ permitted payment stablecoin issuer ណាបោះពុម្ពដោយក្រុមហ៊ុនដែលមានច្បាប់ត្រឹមត្រូវបាទគាត់មិនមែនជា security ទេ digital security or tokenized security ដែលយើងទ្របបញ្ចូលជា security គឺ financial instrument បាទ enumerate in definition of security that is formatted as represented by a crypto asset where the record of ownership is maintained in a whole or in part on through one or more crypto network នៅពេលដែលកាក់គឺនៅ network ផ្សេងដទៃមិនមែននៅ network របស់វាបាទអានេះគឺអ្នកគ្នាត្រូវដែលទុកហ្នឹងគឺ part on បាទហ្នឹងហើយអានេះគឺត្រូវបានរាប់បញ្ចូលជា security បាទ where the record of ownership is maintained in a whole or in a part on or through one or more crypto network បាទ financial instrument អានេះយើងត្រូវបានរាប់ជា security ឬក៏ tokenized security បាទទៅដល់ tokenized security មានន័យថា digital security នេះមានន័យថាភាគហ៊ុនណាដូចជាភាគហ៊ុនដែលអ្នកគ្នាទិញជួញដូរសរុបនៅក្នុង Nasdaq ភាគហ៊ុន Apple ភាគហ៊ុននេះជាដើមហើយភាគហ៊ុនទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងបាទត្រូវបានដាក់ចូលនៅក្នុង blockchain ណាដាក់ចូល blockchain អាហ្នឹងត្រូវរាប់បញ្ចូលថា security ដែលយើងហៅឈ្មោះថា digital security ណា security ភាគហ៊ុនដែលអ្នកគ្នាទិញជួញដូររងថ្ងៃរបស់សហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកគឺយើងហៅ security ហើយក៏ប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជា security ហ្នឹងគឺនៅក្នុង blockchain បាទយើងហៅថា digital security ឬក៏ tokenized security បាទអូខេអានេះយើងដឹងប៉ុណ្ណឹងបាទគាត់បានបែងចែកដូចជា5ហ្នឹងតើអាណាជា security អាណាមិនមែនជា security ហើយដូចខ្ញុំបាននិយាយពីដើម security គឺត្រូវសុំច្បាប់ហើយបើសិនជាកាក់ណាមួយត្រូវបានរាប់បញ្ចូលជា security ហើយក្រុមហ៊ុនហ្នឹងអត់បានសុំច្បាប់ដើម្បីបង្កើតបាទកាក់ហ្នឹងដើម្បីកាត់កាក់ដងលក់អីទេបាទគឺមានបញ្ហានៅពេលខាងក្រោយបាទពេលក្រោយនៅពេលមានបញ្ហាជាដើមគឺអត់ឈ្នះគេទេហើយបើសិនជាត្រូវបានរាប់បញ្ចូលជា commodity បាទនេះមិនមែនជាបញ្ហាធំទេវាជារឿងល្អទៅវិញសម្រាប់ cryptocurrency អូខេយើងមើលដឹងមួយទៀតតាក់ទងទៅជាមួយនឹង crypto and bank បាទ crypto ក្រុមហ៊ុន cryptocurrency ដូចជា Tether ដែលគាត់បោះពុម្ព stablecoin បាទជាមួយធនាគារគាត់មានបញ្ហាជំនួសចម្រាស់គ្នាមែនទែនហើយដែលបានជាមានបញ្ហាជំនួសចម្រាស់គ្នាគឺដោយសារតែបាទ stablecoin បានអត្រាការប្រាក់ខ្ពស់ជាងហើយ stablecoin ហ្នឹងមានតម្លៃស្មើទៅជាមួយនឹងលុយដុល្លារ1 USDT ស្មើនឹង$1ប្រហែលគ្នាអញ្ចឹងហើយនេះគឺជារឿងដែលធ្វើឲ្យអ្នកវិនិយោគមួយចំនួនគឺគាត់ដកលុយចេញពីធនាគារបើសិនជានឹងដាក់ធនាគារបានអត្រាការប្រាក់ទាបជាងដាក់ចូលនៅក្នុង stablecoin បាទហ្នឹងហើយ stablecoin ទៅ stake ទៅអីជាដើមអញ្ចឹងវាមានបានអត្រាប្រាក់ច្រើនជាងនេះជាមូលហេតុដែលធ្វើឲ្យមានច្បាប់មួយដែលមានឈ្មោះថា Clarity Act មកចេញដើម្បីដោះស្រាយសម្រាប់ធនាគារគាត់ demand បាទចង់ទាមទារឲ្យ Clarity Act ហ្នឹងកុំឲ្យ stablecoin មានអត្រាការប្រាក់ណាដើម្បីកុំឲ្យ stablecoin មានអត្រាការប្រាក់ហ្នឹងហើយសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលគាត់បង្កើត stablecoin ដូចជា Tether ដែលជាក្រុមហ៊ុនដែលរកលុយបានច្រើនកម្រៃច្រើនមែនទែនទាក់ទងនឹងការបោះពុម្ពកាក់ USDT ឲ្យអ្នកដែលគ្រាប្រើប្រាស់ហ្នឹងគាត់ថាអត់ទេគាត់មានការទាមទារអត់ឲ្យ Clarity Act ហ្នឹងចេញមកដាក់សង្កត់ធ្ងន់ទៅលើ cryptocurrency ទេគាត់ចង់ដំណើរការធម្មតាដែលមានអត្រាការប្រាក់មានជាប់ជាមួយឥឡូវនេះគឺមានដំណោះស្រាយមួយបែបបាទដំណោះស្រាយអានេះជាដំណោះស្រាយដែលអាចមើលទៅអាចទៅរួចបាទហ្នឹងហើយដំណោះស្រាយនោះគឺតាក់ទងទៅជាមួយនឹងthe deal allow reward tied to stablecoin activity and ban earning yield just for holding balance ដំណោះស្រាយគឺអ្នកគ្នាមាន USDT អ្នកគ្នាមិនអាចកាន់តែ USDT នៅដាក់ USDT នៅក្នុង wallet របស់អ្នកគ្នាបានអត្រាការប្រាក់ទេបាទហ្នឹងហើយលុះត្រាតែអ្នកគ្នាយក USDT ហ្នឹងទៅប្រើប្រាស់ក្នុងន័យណាមួយដូចជាអ្នកគ្នាយកកាក់ USDT ហ្នឹងទៅឲ្យគេខ្ចីបាទអញ្ចឹងអ្នកគ្នាបានអត្រាការប្រាក់អ្នកគ្នាឲ្យគេខ្ចីតាមរយៈ decentralized chain ឬក៏គម្រោង DeFi ផ្សេងៗ DApp ផ្សេងៗដែលគាត់មានការដាក់ឲ្យអ្នកគ្នាយក USDT ឲ្យគេខ្ចីហើយបានអត្រាការប្រាក់ហ្នឹងបាទអ្នកគ្នាអាចទៅប្រើអាហ្នឹងដើម្បីបានអត្រាការប្រាក់អ្នកគ្នាមិនអាច hold កាក់ USDT នៅ wallet ធម្មតាអត់ធ្វើអីសោះបានអត្រាការប្រាក់ទេបាទនេះគឺជាអាចថាជាដំណោះស្រាយមួយផងដែរបាទអាចជាដំណោះស្រាយហើយនេះគឺជាច្រកផ្លូវបាទច្រកផ្លូវមួយដែលធ្វើឲ្យធនាគារអាចមាន បាទការយល់ព្រមទៅលើការផ្ដល់អត្រាកំប្រាក់ទៅលើ stable coin បាទទៅលើ stable coin បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមកដឹងអ្នកគ្នាចាំមើលទៀតនឹងអាចមានគម្រោង DApp អីផ្សេងដែលអ្នកគ្នាទៅចុច staking បាទ staking អាកា USDT នៅក្នុង platform គេទៅដើម្បីផ្ដល់ជាកម្ចីបាទហ្នឹងហើយ USDT ឲ្យផ្ដល់ជាកម្ចីហើយអ្នកគេបានអត្រាការប្រាក់បែបហ្នឹងអ្នកគ្នាមិនអាចកាន់ USDT ដដែលបានអត្រាការប្រាក់ទេបាទត្រង់កន្លែងហ្នឹងហើយជាយើងចាំមើលបន្ទាប់ទៀតវាអត់ទាន់ដល់ final ទេបាទអត់ទាន់ដល់វគ្គបញ្ចប់ទេវានៅតែជាការប្រកាសបាទការប្រកាសក៏ដូចជាការស្នើសុំទៅរវាងក្រុមហ៊ុន cryptocurrency ជាមួយនឹងធនាគារតែប៉ុណ្ណោះបាទជឿរងចាំមើលបន្តទៀតហើយអានេះអាចជាច្រកហ្នឹងហើយបាទខ្ញុំនិយាយថាអាចជាច្រកផ្លូវមួយទៀតគ្នាយើងក៏សួរខ្ញុំតាក់ទងទៅជាមួយនឹងផុសមួយនេះបាទនៅក្នុង page Murad the Crypto អ្នកអាចទៅបានstable coin ជាមួយនឹងពួកធនាគារមានបញ្ហាតាក់ទងកន្លែងហ្នឹងហើយថ្មីនេះបាទ cryptocurrency ក៏ត្រូវបានបាទ blockchain ត្រូវបានយកទៅប្រើប្រាស់ក្នុងវិស័យធនាគារផងដែរឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជាក្រុមហ៊ុន Citi បាទធនាគារ Citi BNY Mellon ជាមួយនឹង Standard Chartered នេះអ្នកគ្នាដាក់លុយចូលនៅក្នុងធនាគារទាំងអស់នេះគឺវាមានការ convert លុយរបស់អ្នកគ្នាចូលទៅក្នុង blockchain ជាដើមដែលយើងហៅថាជា tokenize បាទ tokenize fund របស់អ្នកគ្នាបាន tokenize fund ហ្នឹងហើយយើងយកអីទៅប្រើប្រាស់អីបន្ទាប់ទៀតគឺអត់ទាន់ដឹងច្បាស់ទេយើងរងចាំមើលបាទរងចាំមើលអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាធនាគារគាត់ចាប់ផ្ដើមលូកដៃចូល blockchain ដែលគឺជាពាក្យមួយបាទពាក្យមួយដែលត្រូវបានគេប្រើប្រាស់ពេញនិយមមែនទែនដើម្បីទាក់ទាញអ្នកវិនិយោគថ្មីក៏ដូចជាដើម្បីដល់គេឈ្មោះដល់ធនាគាររបស់គេថាធនាគារនេះគឺមានការ apply blockchain ហើយបាទមានការ apply blockchain ហើយនៅពេលដែលមាន mass adoption បាទ mass adoption ហ្នឹងគឺជាការប្រើប្រាស់យ៉ាងពេញទំហឹងទាក់ទង blockchain ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងធនាគារទាំងអស់នេះគឺគាត់ព្រមស្រេចបាទព្រមក្នុងការប្រើប្រាស់ blockchain ស្រេចបាទនេះគឺជារឿងមួយល្អសម្រាប់ធនាគារដែលគាត់បាន move បាទពង្រីកខ្លួនឯងធ្វើឲ្យខ្លួនឯងកាន់តែនវានុវត្តន៍ជាងមុនណាពីប្រពៃណីទៅកាន់ blockchain ទៅក្នុង cryptocurrency បាទអូខេអានេះគឺមក update នេះគេបានដឹងប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងតាក់ទងទៅជាមួយធនាគារ Citi ជាមួយ Standard Chartered BNY Mellon ជាដើមអូខេហើយវីដេអូនេះគឺមកដល់ទីបញ្ចប់ហើយបើសិនជាមានរឿងណាដែលគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍តាក់ទងនឹង blockchain តាក់ទងនឹង cryptocurrency នេះខ្ញុំមក update ឲ្យអ្នកគេបានដឹងបន្តទៀតបាទយើងនឹងជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូល្អៗក្រោយៗទៀតបាយបាយ